A couple of years back, I hit rock bottom. I was on a roll, trapped in my own head, second guessing everything. Every loss became personal. Every rejection was the end of the world. I thought people who were confident and mentally tough were somehow blessed, that they possessed something I didn't. But then one of my mentors asked me a question that turned everything around. If your body must get exercise so that it can get strong, what in the world makes you think your mind doesn't? That line broke me. From that moment on, I began to see my mindset as a muscle, something I could train, stretch, and strengthen. That's when everything changed. I realized that if I wanted to know how to build a strong mindset, how to develop a strong mindset, it would take daily mental training and discipline. So today, I'm sharing the exact same mental training program I use, a blueprint for how to make a strong mindset that remains positive even in hard times. I got something special for you, a free ebook that helps you achieve financial freedom. All you have to do is to drop your email below and it's yours. Section 1. Know what a strong mindset really is. Before we dive into the how, let's define what it means to have a strong mindset. Having a strong mindset doesn't mean you never feel fear, sadness, or doubt. A powerful mindset isn't about avoiding pain. It's about having the courage to stand tall in it. A strong mindset means you don't crumble under pressure. You adapt when life pushes back. You control what you can and you release what you can't. The last part is crucial. If you truly want to develop mental strength and learn how to build a positive, strong mindset, you must accept that control is limited. You can't control the weather, other people, or random events, but you can control your thoughts, your attitude, and your reaction. So before we move forward, say this aloud right now. I control what I can, and I release what I can't. That's the first step in how to create a strong mindset. Section 2. Practice mindfulness. Now, let's get into the first key habit for how to build a strong mindset. Mindfulness. When you're mindful, you live in the present, not stuck in the past or worrying about the future. Your mind is like a wild horse. If you don't train it, it will run wherever it wants. Mindfulness is how you take the reins. To make your mindset strong, start with 5 minutes a day of mindfulness practice. Number 1, sit quietly and focus on your breathing. Second, notice when your mind wanders. Third, gently bring your attention back to your breath. With time, you feel calmer, clearer, and more in control, even when life feels chaotic. Mindfulness is the foundation for anyone who wants to know how to build a powerful mindset that stays centered under pressure. Section 3. Learn deep breathing techniques. When stress strikes, your body reacts instantly. Your heart races. Your mind flows with what if. But deep breathing is your reset button. Breathing deeply tells your brain, we are safe, relax. Here's a simple but powerful exercise to help you build a strong mindset and regulate your emotion. Inhale deeply through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 6 seconds. Do this 3 times wherever you feel anxious or overwhelmed. It's a small step, but it's a crucial part of how to build a tough mindset that keeps calm in chaos. Section 4. Resist negative self-talk. Now let's talk about the voice inside your head. We all have that inner critic that whispers, "You are not good enough," or "Why even try?" If you want to learn how to make your mindset strong and stay positive, you must challenge that voice. Here's how. Whenever you hear negative self-talk, pause and ask yourself, would I say this to someone I care about? If not, don't say it to yourself either. Replace it with something empowering. Instead of, "I can't do this," say, "I'm learning how to do this." Instead of, "I always fail," say, "I'm getting stronger every time I try." Every time you do this, you reprogram your mind. That's the key to how to make a strong mindset that supports growth instead of fear. Section 5. Overcoming limiting belief with empowering ones. Limiting beliefs are like invincible wall. You may not see them, but they trap you in place. Maybe you say, "I'm not confident. I'm not built for success. That's just who I am." But those are not the truth. They are stories. If you want to know how to develop a strong mindset, you must rewrite those stories. For example, change. "I'm not confident," to "I'm becoming more confident every day." Change. "I can't handle failure," to "Failure helps me learn faster." Empowering belief give your brain permission to grow. That's how you create a strong mindset, a new entity that matches your goals. Section 6. Control what you can. Control what you can, release what you can't. This principle alone can transform life. Most of our stress comes from trying to control what's out of our hand, others people's opinion, circumstances, or outcome. If you want to know how to build a tough mindset, you need to learn when to hold on and when to let go. Ask yourself, is this within my control? If yes, take action. If no, let it go. By focusing on what you can control, you conserve your energy for growth, clarity, and progress. That's one of the most important steps in how to build a strong mindset. Section 7. Build habits that support mental strength. Mindset isn't only about thinking, it's also about doing. You can't think your way to a strong mindset if your habits are weak. Here are a few daily actions that build mental resilience. Number 1. Journal your thoughts, goals, and lessons learned. Second, move your body, exercise, build physical and mental power. Third, feed your mind with books, podcasts, and inspiring content. Fourth, surround yourself with strong-minded people who lift you up. Consistency in this habit is how you build a strong mindset and sustain it in long term. Section 8. The power of perspective. Life isn't about what happens to you, it's about how you interpret it. If you lose your job, fail a test, or face rejection, a weak mindset say, "I'm done." A strong mindset say, "This is my lesson." When you learn to see challenges as opportunities, you no longer fear them, you use them. That's how to build a strong and powerful mindset that thrives on growth instead of comfort. So next time something goes wrong, ask yourself, what is this trying to teach me? That question alone can help you build a strong, positive mindset and turn pain into progress. Section 9. Gratitude and growth. Gratitude might sound simple, but it's one of the most powerful mindset tools there is. When you focus on what's right, your brain starts to look for more things to appreciate. That's how to make a strong mindset filled with abundance rather than lack. Each day, write down 3 things you are grateful for. They can be big or small. What matters is consistency. Over time, gratitude will rewire your brain for positivity and peace, helping you maintain a strong mindset even during hard times. Section 10. Keep going. Finally, understand this. Building a strong mindset isn't a one-time goal, it's a lifestyle. There will always be days when you feel unstoppable and days when you feel like you're falling apart. That's okay. Mental health isn't about perfection, it's about persistence. Each time you get up after a setback, you're providing that you know how to build a tough mindset and how to keep it strong. When I began this journey, I used to think real strength meant never breaking. Now I know true strength is breaking and rebuilding over and over again. It's trusting that no matter what happened, you figure it out. That's what it truly means to build a strong mindset. Not to be fearful, not to be fearless, but to face fear and move away forward. Now, I want to hear from you in the comments below. Tell me, what's one thing you're going to start today to build your strong mindset? I read every comment and I love to support your journey. If this video helped you understand how to make your mindset strong, how to build a powerful mindset, or how to develop mental strength, do me a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe for more weekly videos like this, and share this with someone who needs a reminder of how powerful their mind truly is. Remember, you don't find a strong mindset, you build it. Keep going, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next one.